What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok no internet connection. So whenever you try to open TikTok, like you receive this message which is no internet connection. So there are some ways, a couple of ways you can do to fix this problem. The first way, guys, is to go to settings. Okay, this works, by the way, on Android and iPhone users. So I am going to show you exactly how you can fix this problem on iPhone, and I am going to show you how to fix this on Android phones. So if you are using iPhone, just scroll down and click General. Okay, after you click on General, you want to click on iPhone storage. As you can see here in the home button, you can see here iPhone storage. You click it, and after that you want to scroll down. Okay, scroll until you find TikTok. Okay, click on TikTok. As you can see here, this is TikTok. Click it and click offload. Okay, offload app, and then click offload and wait like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. It doesn't take long, as you can see here. And after that you want to click reinstall. Okay, just click reinstall, and TikTok is going to fix any problem you have on your TikTok. So anything you have on your TikTok is going to be fixed. You can use your TikTok like you normally do. So just wait a few seconds until you reinstall the app. It's going to take like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. It just depends on your internet connection. But after you reinstall the app, as you can see here now, the app is reinstalled. I hope now the problem is fixed. You want to go to your TikTok. Okay, as you can see here, my TikTok is working. If it doesn't work for you, make sure to check if you have internet connection. Okay, go to YouTube, see if you can like search for anything on YouTube. If your YouTube works, then your TikTok should work too. If it doesn't work, turn off your Wi-Fi and wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. Okay, just turn it off like this and wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. So if it doesn't work, turn off your phone for completely and open it again. But for Android users, you want to go to your Play Store. Okay, go to Play Store and then search for TikTok. Search for TikTok. After that, you wanna remove the app. Okay, you wanna remove the app completely from your phone and then download it again. Or if you go to TikTok and it says their update, you want to click update and turn update and wait until it's updated and turn off your phone and open it again. I hope this problem has fixed. I hope this video has fixed your problem. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. If you want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, click in the video in the screen right now to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. See you guys.